How to see deleted WhatsApp messages. So once you're on WhatsApp, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you want to click on settings. Once this comes up, you want to click on chats. Now you want to scroll down and then click on chat history. Then you want to click on export chat and then click on the chat you want to export. You can include media if you want to. You can choose where you want to export it to. I'm just going to choose WhatsApp, for example. And I'm going to send it to myself. I actually sent it to my friend. So now I have the zip file right here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to extract it. I'm going to show it in the folder. And I'm going to click on the WhatsApp chat. I'm going to open it with my browser. And it shows all the messages of that chat, even the deleted ones. Another method is you want to go to settings again, and then you want to go to chats, scroll down, and then click on chat backup. If you backed up the chat before the messages were deleted with a Google account, you can then sign into that Google account. Once you sign in, the messages should be restored to that time. If not, then just go to the Play Store or the App Store and then type in WhatsApp chat recovery. You can then try any of these applications that will come up here to recover the deleted messages, such as this one, Recover Deleted Messages app. You can try this one.